Hi guys, hope you are okay. This is Aetos 254. It's another day. I'm here to give you my content about this place that I'm standing. As you can see, it's a new restaurant coming up, and more likely it will be opened next week. Then will be starting. And of course, I do wish and hope that most of you shall be available and shall be availing themselves during a grand opening day. There will be a free meal, a cake, and many other items that we shall be offering for the customers during that day. So for those who are watching, maybe you can reach me on comments. When I read your comments, I'll be able to let you know where particularly it will be taking place and when and the time. Aetos 254. My son is going to school, and as I always told you that when he's not there, I'll be the one bringing them more content. So let me show you around. This is the place and the surroundings. As you can see, surroundings. Remember, that is Cafe Bistro, which is our neighbor. Of course, this is it. It's a very nice place. Very nice place. Of course, you can see the surroundings. You'll be able to see the surroundings. Able to tell, oh, this is it. So don't miss out. Come, large number. So this is our parking. It's our parking. This is the parking area. It's a nice place. Coming soon. Remember guys, more of a privilege to tell you that there'll be a free lunch during an opening day, and maybe I'll be requesting some of you to avail yourselves through comments. I'll be able to tell you where and exactly the location. Can tell this is where I am, and even today we are doing the coffee machine, the testing, and even the meal presentation. Some of the and all has been well. So now maybe I'll take you there so that you can see by yourself what we are doing right now or today. This is it. This is our barista, as you can see. guys, still taking place. The construction is still taking place. As you can see, very many people are still around, still doing various kind of duties, but by Friday all shall be through and ready to be opened. Come next week Monday, shall be doing, they're really cooking. So guys, thank you for watching. Continue subscribing and share the video, and tell a friend to tell a friend, so that we support this channel to grow.